Welcome to my pretend cooking show. My name is Dina Mitchell and this is my kitchen. Prego. Limoncello. Every bottle is made with the same 3 ingredients, 190 proof or above, grain alcohol, peels from organic lemons, and white sugar. But as you may know, each bottle is not created equally. I'm going to show you the original classic Sorrento recipe, the same one that I fell in love with the first time I was in Positano and the Amalfi Coast. And now I can make it at home and I can tell you it tastes exactly the same. Let's get started. 1 kilo of organic lemons. It's about 8 to 10. And I like the ones with the thicker skin because they're easier to peel without getting the white, because that is an important part, to peel the skin of the lemon and have absolutely no white at all. So you see here, right? There's no white, and the reason why is because these, the thinner skin lemon, actually it was impossible for me to take off the white, so I had to scrape it off with a knife, and I hope you can see that. So very important, no whites, 1 kilo of organic lemons. The final result, the peels equal about 100 grams. So a big mason jar I found works the best because we need to seal it very tightly. So I am going to put my peels in there. And I need 1 liter of 190 or above grain alcohol. And this is Everclear. Make sure it says 190, not vodka. Any recipe that tells you vodka, that's not Amalfi Coast. That's not Italian limoncello. Okay, so 1 liter, it's about 4.2 cups. I remember the first time I tried this and I fell in love with it. I would always compare every limoncello after to that one, and it was in Positano. Actually, it was in Priana, just south of Positano, about 20 minutes south or so, at my friend's little restaurant, right there, a little fishing village, and they make it in their house, Donicella or Bar Mar Petite. And I'll show you that one in a second. All right, so we have our lemons in there. I'm gonna seal this very, very tight, and I'm gonna put it in my cupboard so it has absolutely no sunlight. So there's that. Here's one that I have a month later, actually a little bit more than a month later, and you can see the difference because the soaking and all the oils from the lemon have actually now infused the grain alcohol. So our next stage is I took 600 grams of white sugar. It needs to be white in order for it to have that bright, vibrant yellow color. So 600 grams of white sugar in 1 liter, so I matched the alcohol, of purified water. I put it on the stove. I made a simple syrup. I put it on the stove, just barely boiling, doesn't even really need to, just kept stirring it, very important, until it became clear. When it became clear, I knew it was fine, and I need it to cool. So this is absolutely cooled. If it's warm at all, it'll kill off your alcohol. And you just put a month into this. Why do you want to do that? Okay. Oh yeah, this is really sealed. Hold on. Oh, I hope I don't break it. Okay. I don't know why that trick always works, right? Okay. So I'm not even going to try to smell this because I know it will knock me out. It is super, super strong. Okay, now I'm going to add my simple syrup. So again, 600 grams of sugar, which is about, I think 3 cups or so. And 1 liter of purified water made into simple syrup. And I'm gonna give it a quick stir. That's about it. And it is about ready. So now you want to filter it out. You can use a cheesecloth, coffee filters, I don't know, that will take forever. I have a nut bag just simply because I make my own nut milks. And this seems to kind of hold up a little bit easier. You know what? I'm not gonna try that. I'm gonna do it this way. So the lemon peels smell absolutely amazing. If you guys have any idea what to use with the lemon peels after, let me know. I would love to try to bake with them and have some amazing recipe. That would be great. This smells so good right now, by the way. Absolutely good. All right, now let me try to do this. And I may have needed a larger jar, but let's see. Might work. Okay. You don't need to squeeze this out. You've already gotten all the oils out from the lemon, so it's good to go. And then you're going to bottle it, and you can get these little bottles at a Container Store, or you can get them on Amazon, and I'll put the link in there. And it also comes with this cute little funnel, so that way it makes it easy. But let me take a shot of this limoncello. Remember that one I told you about in Priano? Donatello Bar Marbetit. Please visit them. This is my favorite limoncello that I didn't make, and you can actually get it sent to your home. And also meloncello. I gotta share this one soon. And it literally tastes like fresh cantaloupe. Okay, back to mine. So we are going to fill a couple bottles. Let's just start off with this one. And you don't want to fill it all the way up to the top because you're going to freeze it. So let's do this. Oh, this fancy little label I actually got on Amazon. This really, really nice lady has made me several of them so far, and even threw in an extra one. Talk about service. Or you can just make them at home, but kind of cool. Because nothing better to impress your friends. Oh yeah, I made my own limoncello. I've got it in the freezer. Let me just show you. Your limoncello is always going to be kept in the freezer and drinking cold. Now, true Italian style is you finish a dinner with a bottle of limoncello on the table just for people to free pour, and that's what happens at like my little favorite restaurant, Bar Marbetit. Salvador does that. I go there and he puts a bottle of limoncello and a bottle of limoncello on there. Free pour, take as you want. I don't think he's ever charged me for it, and that's the Italian style. Okay, so seal this up. Don't forget your fancy little labels. Can you see that? Sort of not. Okay, it's there. And put it in the freezer for 1 month. Let it sit there. After 1 month, you can enjoy it. Actually, let me drink the rest of his so I can go to mine. Limoncello. Mine. So it's a little thick. It's definitely sweet. And it's perfect. Here's a shot for you. Here's a shot for me. You should never shoot it. You should smell it. And you should taste it. It's absolutely perfect and strong. Thank you for watching my pretend cooking show. My name is Dina Mitchell. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for joining. Ciao.